Shirt in the back.
Why the fuck y'all niggas ain't taking care of my shit?
Boiling. Come on. Let me show you this Pro Swag. When y'all know what Pro Swag is, me and Trill about to show you niggas out here in these streets what Pro Swag is. Wally Boy Nation, Wally Boy shit. Come on, Freddie.
Let's get it.
Pro Swag this way. Pro Swag this way.
Okay.
Can you check out the Pro Swag in here? It's Ice Age. Pro Swag.
Projector screen.
So the Pro Swag in here. Pro Swag.
Ladies with the Japanese tattoos.
You niggas need to step your fucking Pro Swag up. You niggas ain't doing this.
I ain't gonna stop, man. Trill shit smashing yours, cuz.
Fuck that nigga for alarm clock.
You fucking do look like an alarm clock.
Shit ain't got shit on my Optimus Prime. That motherfucker called Optimus.
Turn into a transformer.
That nigga using his bear as a motherfucking pillow.
Bro, tell them to step their Pro Swag up. Step your Pro Swag up.
No more flash screens.
We don't rock flash screens over here. We like we in the fucking classrooms over here. You niggas need to learn this shit. Learn this shit. Learn this shit.
In the movie theater.
Bang. That my nigga Spank.